Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that aims to create balance and harmony in a space through the use of color, placement, and elements. According to Feng Shui, certain colors can have different effects on our energy and mood. As an interior architect, using Feng Shui principles to choose colors for a space can be a great way to create balance and harmony in a home. Here are some tips on how to use Feng Shui colors at home. Use the Feng Shui Bagua, also called Pakwa, map to determine which area of your home corresponds to which element. Each element is associated with a particular color. For example, the element of fire is associated with red, orange, and purple, while the element of earth is associated with yellow, brown, and beige. Use colors to balance the energy in a particular area of your home. For example, if you have a lot of wood elements in a room, such as wooden furniture or flooring, you can use the color green, the color associated with the element of wood, to balance the energy. Use colors to enhance the energy of a particular area of your home. For example, if you have a room that you want to use for relaxation, you can use the color blue, the color associated with the element of water, to enhance the calming energy of the space. Use the 5 Feng Shui elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, to create a balance of energy in your home. You can use the colors associated with each element to achieve this balance. Be mindful of the energy of different shades of a particular color. For example, a bright red may have a different energy than a deep, burgundy red. By using Feng Shui colors in your home design, you can create a sense of balance and harmony that can improve the overall well-being of the inhabitants. Experiment with different colors and see how they affect the energy of each space.